Welcome to Investment Tech YouTube channel. Today I have a video how to change your search engine to another. You can change a search engine to Google, to Bing, Yahoo, any other search engine. Example, if you accidentally switch Bing or Yahoo, how to get back Google. Step by step, I show you guys how to change a search engine, what you need. Okay, first we have to go right upper corner. You can see that three dots. Click on it. Then scroll down, go to setting. Okay, now scroll down, then you can see search engine. Click on the search engine. Okay, after you click the search engine, then you can see Google. Now right now I'm in the Google. So if you want to switch Bing, then you have to click Bing. Then I'm going to open a new tab. Then you can see you are in Bing. Alright, then I'm going to switch another one, Yahoo. Click on the Yahoo, then open new tab. Now you can see you are in the Yahoo. Then if you want to click another one, switch Duckduckgo, click on it. Then open a new tab, you are in Duckduckgo. Alright, last one, Ecosia. Click on it. New tab, that's Ecosia. Okay, if you accidentally switch different search engine, Ecosia, Yahoo, Bing, then you have to get back Google. Then click on the Google, then you are in the Google. Open new tab, yep, you're back to Google. That's the video how to switch, change your search engine, Google to Bing, or Yahoo to Bing, or Google. Alright guys, now you guys in back to Google. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.